Hello everyone, welcome to MK Graphics channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how to create an amazing overlapping text effect in Adobe InDesign. This tutorial is quick and easy to follow. With this text effect, you will be able to craft a professional looking flyer or party invitation design in a short amount of time. Just I did this one. So let's get started. First, start with a vibrant background image. You can see I created two layers here, one for background and one for text. Lock the background layer and now on text layer type the word party. We are using individual letters for this overlapping effect. For that, click on type tool, type P and change its size to 100 points to 120 pound. For better effect, choose a thick font. I am using here multi-display. I change its color to white. Similarly, I'll create other letters. Select P letter. I'll copy paste by pressing Command C and Command V on Mac. On Windows you can use Ctrl C and Ctrl V and change the text, and so on. I'll create other letters. Next, using the selection tool, I rotate and reposition all the letters to make them overlap. After that, press the Shift key, select all characters and convert to outlines by go to Type and create outlines. Now here's the main part. Go to Object, Pathfinder, click on Exclude Overlap to make the overlapping area see-through. That's it. Next, I'll add a shadow. Click on the Add an Object Effect button on the right side. Then drop shadow, select the size to 0.125 and we will set the blending mode to color burn. Do you know this effect can also be applied in a Photoshop? How? In a Photoshop, type your text and right click, convert it to a shape. And use the direct selection tool. I'll select the individual character and I will rotate and reposition each alphabet by using free transform path. Then click to open the Path Operations menu and choose to exclude overlapping shapes. As you can see, you can achieve the same effect in InDesign as well as in Photoshop. But I always prefer using InDesign because I can save the file as a vector and then resize text and use for the large prints and big signages. After watching this tutorial, I hope you feel confident about creating your own stunning overlapping text designs. Now I want to hear from you. What projects are you planning to use this effect for? Whether it's a flyer, invitation, postcard, or something entirely unique. Drop your thoughts, questions, or any challenges you face during the process in the comments below. I'm here to help you and I would love to see your creations. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to MK Graphics channel for more creative tutorials. Thanks for joining me today and I look forward to chatting with you in a comment section. Until next time, happy designing!